Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, an unexpected error occurred with all of your mods failing to load, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to close out your game and then you're going to open up your games directory. So the default directory should be in your roaming folder. You're going to open up your start menu, right run, right app data, go into roaming, and then you're going to go into Hytale, go into user data, go into mods, and then you're either going to delete everything from this mods folder or you're going to move everything out of this folder into any other location. So for example, in your C drive, so just move it into any other location for now and wait for your mod authors to update their mods. And once their mods are updated, you're going to download the mods and then paste them in your mods location. And once you do that, now when you try to play Hytale, your game will load correctly. You will not get that fail to load mods error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.